A lot of websites these days have two-factor authentication. Either they require it or they give you the option. And it's great for security, so if you have the option to enable it, you should. But finding the one-time passcodes they send you whenever you sign in can be a pain. There is an option on iPhone to autofill them, which is pretty cool. If you don't have this turned on, you can go to Settings, go down to General, go down to Autofill and Passwords, and make sure this is turned on. And that's going to pick up whenever a one-time passcode is emailed or texted to you. It's going to autofill it into the website, which is super convenient. And you can also delete the verification codes after use. So if it's texted to you, it'll delete the text message that contained it, or if it's mailed, it will delete the email that contained it. And this feature makes your life a whole lot easier. And while we're on here, we can even autofill from our Passwords app and even third-party apps like LastPass, which is one that I use. In fact, I'm going to turn that on because it's very convenient to have passwords autofilled. I don't have super important passwords, like I don't have any banking or credit card passwords or anything here, but I've got lots of passwords for various websites and things. So I keep those on. This makes my life a whole lot easier. And if you want to check if your iPhone is tracking you, this is the video you should watch next. It'll show you all the ways iPhone tracks and where they send the data. So if you want to turn those things off and have more privacy, this video will show you how. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on that one.